Hey, does anyone out there remember when you had to beg your mom to get off the phone so you could use the internet? Yeah, that sound meant you were entering a whole new world, the digital world. What started with dial-up and AOL chat rooms has turned into YouTube paychecks, TikTok brands, and digital empires made from a smartphone. The hustle didn't die, it just went wireless. Today, we're diving into how the internet broke the 9-to-5, gave birth to the modern side hustle, and turned basement nerds into millionaires. Welcome to episode 3, the history of side hustles. Click, hustle, repeat. Welcome back. This is Rent Still Due, where we make sense of money, hustle, and the come up. In episode 1, we defined the side hustle. In episode 2, we took it way back to the OG hustlers of early America. Now, it's time to fast forward to the digital revolution, where the grind shifted from street corners to search engines. And trust me, this is the era that changed everything. Let's rewind to the late 90s and early 2000s. The internet was still weird, slow, and full of pop-up ads. But even back then, hustlers saw potential. The dot-com bubble wasn't just about Wall Street. It was about regular people flipping domains, selling ebooks, and figuring out how to monetize curiosity. Here's a fun fact. In 1999, a guy bought the domain beer.com for $80,000. And then he flipped it for $7 million. All he did was own a name. You had folks building websites in their pajamas, coding in coffee shops, and selling stuff on message boards before Amazon took over. That was the digital gold rush. Before Shopify, before Etsy, there was eBay, the OG digital flea market. People were clearing out their garages and turning junk into cash. Beanie Babies, baseball cards, vintage toys, all sold through online auctions. Then came Craigslist. Yeah, it looked sketchy. Well, that's because it was sketchy. But it was free. And where there's free attention, there's opportunity. You could sell your couch, offer handyman services, find a DJ gig, or even rent out your backyard as a parking space. The Wild West of digital side hustling had officially begun. The early internet didn't care about your degree, it cared about your hustle. Then came the Holy Grail, YouTube. Launched in 2005, it started as a place for cat videos and skate fails. But within years, it became a full-blown economy. Creators realized, wait, I can upload a video once and get paid forever? Monetization changed everything. OG YouTubers were just regular people with cameras, but they had two things. 1, consistency. 2, curiosity. And when the partner program rolled out in 2007, the money started flowing. People who once worked shifts at Starbucks were suddenly quitting their jobs to vlog full time. And guess what? They weren't influencers yet. They were side hustlers who found a new platform. While YouTubers were building audiences, others were building blogs. Sites like WordPress, Tumblr, and Blogger gave anyone the power to publish. From mommy blogs to marketing hacks, people were earning through affiliate links, Google ads, and digital courses. And let's not forget the rise of freelance platforms, Upwork, Fiverr, and 99 Designs. Graphic designers, writers, video editors suddenly had access to clients across the globe. Remember when Fiverr was literally $5 for anything? You could get a custom rap song, a fake breakup letter, or a logo design for the cost of a cup of coffee. Now, some people are pulling six figures from that same site. The game has evolved. Here's the crazy part. The internet made us realize you don't need a job. You need income streams. Instead of clocking in, waiting for a raise, praying for retirement, you could sell a course, drop a podcast, build an email list, flip a domain, write an ebook. The options multiplied, and so did the hustlers. Now the question became, how many ways can I make money while I sleep?
Warren Buffett said, if you don't find a way to make money while you're sleeping, you'll work until you die. It's one of the harshest truths about life. And most people never really develop a way to generate passive income. Even most retirement strategies are based around achieving a certain net worth or a certain balance sheet rather than focusing on passive cash flow. So there really are only two ways that the average person generates significant passive cash flow such that eventually they can have a carefree life. Two things that the average person can do: start building a business, start investing in real estate.
Fast forward to today. You've got teens making 5 figures on Etsy, grandparents going viral on TikTok, stay-at-home parents launching 6-figure digital courses. We live in the era of AI automation, print on demand, drop servicing, digital products, community memberships. You can build once and earn over and over and over and over and over. The internet didn't just break the 9-to-5, it built the 24/7 wealth machine. So, if you're out here wondering how to escape the paycheck to paycheck cycle, if you're tired of working hard with nothing left at the end of the month, or if you just know you were made for more, start looking online. The tools are here. The platforms are free. The only thing missing is your hustle. In the next episode, we're talking about scam or strategy, where we break down popular side hustles and see which ones are legit and which ones are fast track to broke. Until then, hit that subscribe, smash that bell, and drop a comment. Hey, what's the most creative side hustle you've ever had? Because even in a digital world, rents still due.